So we're really excited to be here at the Perry Fieldhouse for our first mass vaccination clinic. We want to thank the Wood County Health Department and all of the volunteers who signed up to come and help us out today. We have thousands of people coming through to get their first vaccination, and this wouldn't have been possible without all these wonderful people that really stepped up to come help us do this. We'll also have another clinic opening up next week on April 7th. More appointments will become available Friday at noon for that clinic next week. We'll be using the Pfizer formulation. With that, the second dose will be scheduled for 21 days later. So we'll be looking towards April 20th, the 21st, and then for the April 7th date, April 28th will be that follow-up clinic. It still provides plenty of time to get your second dose in before the end of the semester. So we really want to get people vaccinated as quickly as possible. So as we look towards summer events, we're really able to open things up and be able to do those summer activities that we missed out on last year. So please continue to get that appointment in, come and get scheduled with us or anywhere else across Wood County, and this will really help us to move forward. Thank you for all that you've been doing. We're nearing the end of this, and these vaccination clinics are going to be that big push that gets us over the edge and gets us down to a very low, manageable number of cases. Thank you so much.